Today we are talking all about our gold drip on our cake again. I've seen some recipes floating around that are alcohol free and I've heard that they're pretty good, so we're gonna try them out today to see if they work or if they're a bust. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. The first recipe we're gonna try is coconut oil and obviously our gold luster dust. This luster dust is by Bakewell and it is 100% edible, FDA approved, all of those things that people worry about with the luster dust. This one is the one you want to go for. It's a little bit darker gold, but you can put it in drinks, all sorts of things with it. This is the one. I'll link it below so you guys can get it. We are going to put 3 teaspoons of coconut oil into the microwave and we're gonna melt it. Then we're gonna put 3/4 teaspoon of our luster dust and 3/4 teaspoon of our powdered sugar. And then we're gonna add the coconut oil into it and we'll kind of mix it around, see how it goes here. All right, so consistency is a little bit loose from what I'm seeing right here, so I'm gonna let it sit and see if it'll kind of set up a little bit. Now let's move on to our next gold drip recipe. This one contains Karo syrup and of course our luster dust and powdered sugar again. Let's try this one. I have a feeling about this one, you guys. I do. Okay, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of Karo syrup. We have 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar and then a 1/2 teaspoon of our gold luster dust. We're gonna mix this around. It's shinier than the one that we did before with the coconut oil. I'm seeing more shine to this. Thicker, definitely thicker and shinier. Okay, I kind of like this consistency, guys. I kind of like it. All right, our last one we are trying is, I saw this one, I'm not sure about it, we're gonna try it. This one is 2 ingredients. We're going to use our luster dust and vegetable oil. So let's see how this goes. For this one, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of our luster dust, and then we'll do 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil because it said it needs to be 1:1 ratio, so we're gonna try it. All right, we're mixing it. I don't know, it's not quite as shiny. I think it's working okay. It's definitely more thin, not quite as thick as I would like it to be. I think if we add a little bit of powdered sugar in there, we'll see how that goes, but the more ingredients you add to your gold drip, it makes it darker and just not as shiny. You can try all 3 of these recipes. I'll put them down below. All these recipes are alcohol free. I know that was something that people really wanted because it doesn't taste as great with alcohol in it. So I wanted to try something else for you guys. My recipe is the lemon extract, powdered sugar, and the gold luster dust. And it works really well. It's super shiny, but it definitely doesn't taste as well as people want it to. So I wanted to try these different ones for you guys today. My choice, I think the best one is the Karo syrup. Consistency wise, everything. Karo syrup is my winner. I'm gonna start dripping it down our cake and we'll see how it stays consistency wise. To do this, you guys just get a spoon and we're just gonna kind of just simply drip it down our cake. It's still looking good, still looking nice. I like it. If it's a little bit too thick, you can definitely use less. I think I might use, 1.5 tablespoons instead of 2 tablespoons and see if that makes it not quite as thick. But other than that, I actually really liked it. Many of you guys asked in my other gold drip videos how the gold drip stands up, if it stabilizes, if it keeps going down the cake. For the most part, what I've learned with gold drip is it's always gonna go a little bit, it's not going to be as stable as you would a ganache chocolate drip. Because it's not ganache, it's not chocolate, it's kind of just a homemade drip. So this one I feel like did pretty well. It definitely pooled at the bottom, which is okay because sometimes we intentionally do that when we do drip cakes, and I don't think it looks horrible. You can see it's definitely not quite as thick as when I put it on because it went to the bottom, which, like I said, that's mostly what a gold drip will do. As far as trying out these new recipes, I mean, this one was definitely by far the best, the thickest, and I like it. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. It's non-alcoholic, so it definitely tastes better. It doesn't really have a taste. There's not really any taste to it. So if you like that, definitely give this one a try. Let me know what else you guys want to see. And I just decided to finish decorating this cake so you guys could see after it sat for a while what happens to the gold drip. Definitely pools, but I definitely don't hate it. Let me know in the comments if you try any of these recipes. I'll definitely put them in the description, as well as I'll link the gold edible luster dust down there as well. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalice Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have an awesome day.